Mr. Adams, what should I do if someone is bullying me?
First, can you tell me what is happening? Is it at school or online?
It's happening at school. A classmate keeps calling me names. Should I talk back?
No, it's better to stay calm. Have you told your teacher about it?
Not yet. I was scared. Will the bully get into trouble?
We'll speak to them kindly first. Do you feel safe coming to school?
Sometimes I do, but not always. Can you help me talk to my teacher?
Of course. We'll work together. You're not alone in this.
Hi, I'm looking for a new handbag.
Of course. What style are you interested in?
Something simple but elegant. Maybe in black.
I have a few options. Would you like leather or fabric?
Leather sounds perfect. Can I see one?
Certainly. This one is very popular. Do you like it?
Wow, it looks beautiful. Is it heavy?
Not at all. It's light and easy to carry.
Great. I think I'll take it.
Excellent choice. Let's take it to the counter.
Hi, I'm looking for a new kitchen set.
Sure. Do you have something specific in mind?
I'd like a modern style, maybe in white.
We have a few models. Do you need a dining table with it?
Yes, a dining table and chairs would be great.
How many chairs do you want?
4 chairs, please.
Perfect. Do you prefer wood or metal frames?
I like wood. It feels warmer.
Good choice. Would you like me to show you some options?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Great. Let's take a look at our best sets over here.
Wow, this smells so good. What is it?
It's tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes. Want to try?
Yes, please. Is it very spicy?
A little bit, but most people love it.
Okay, I'll take 1 portion. How much is it?
It's 3,001.
Great. Here we go.
Thank you. Would you like some fish cake too?
Sure, why not? I want to try everything.
Good choice. Enjoy your food.
Hello. I want to buy a MacBook. Can you help me?
Of course. Do you need it for work or school?
Mostly for work. I need something fast.
Then this MacBook Air is a good choice. It's very light and fast.
It looks nice. How long does the battery last?
About 15 hours on a full charge.
That's great. How much is it?
It's $1,200.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new MacBook.
Hi, I need a new mattress.
Sure. Do you want it soft or firm?
I think something medium would be good.
That's very popular. It gives good support.
Is this mattress good for back pain?
Yes, many customers say it helps them sleep better.
How much does it cost?
This one is $700 and it comes with a 10-year warranty.
That sounds fair. Do you have delivery service?
Yes, we can deliver it to your home tomorrow.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Great choice. I'll write up the order for you.
Hi, I'd like to buy a new perfume.
Sure. Do you prefer something fresh or strong?
I think something fresh, good for daily use.
This one has a clean citrus scent. Would you like to try it?
Yes, please. Wow, it smells really nice.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like to see another option?
Do you have something a little sweeter?
Of course. This one has a soft vanilla note.
That's perfect. I'll take this one.
Great choice. Let me wrap it up for you.
Hello, can you help me find a ring?
Of course. Do you want gold or silver?
I think I want silver. It looks so elegant.
Good choice. Do you want a small or big design?
A small one, please. I like simple rings.
Here is a lovely silver ring. Try it on.
Wow, it fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $80.
I'll take it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new ring.
Hi, I'm looking to buy a scooter.
Great. Do you want it for daily commuting?
Yes, mostly for going to work.
Do you prefer electric or gas scooters?
I think electric would be better.
Good choice. They're quiet and eco-friendly.
How far can it go on one charge?
Around 60 miles, depending on speed.
That sounds perfect for me.
Would you like to test ride it?
Yes, that would be awesome.
Great. Let me get the keys for you.
Hi, do you have this shirt in a smaller size?
Let me check. Yes, we have it in small. Want to try it?
Yes, please. I hope I don't look like a potato in it.
Don't worry. Potatoes don't wear cool shirts like this.
Good point. Where's the fitting room?
Just over there, next to the mirror that tells the truth.
Oh no, I hope it's not too honest.
If it says you look great, believe it.
All right, I'll give it a try. Wish me luck.
Good luck, and don't fight the mirror. Hi, I'm looking for a new smartphone.
Hello, welcome. What kind of phone do you want?
I want something fast and easy to use.
Do you prefer Android or iPhone?
I think I want an iPhone.
Great choice. Do you like a big screen?
Yes, I watch a lot of videos.
Then I suggest the iPhone 16 Plus.
How much does it cost?
It's $999 with full warranty.
Okay, I'll take it.
Perfect. I'll get it ready for you.
Hello, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, we're looking for a new tablet.
Yes, I need one for my school projects.
Great. Do you want a big screen or a smaller one?
I think a medium size would be perfect.
Something easy to carry for her.
I have this model. It's light and fast.
Wow, it looks nice. Can I try it?
Of course. Here you go.
How does it feel, Emily?
It's great, Dad. I really like it.
Good morning. Can I buy a ticket to New York, please?
Sure. One way or round trip?
Round trip, please. What time is the next train?
The next train leaves at 10:30 a.m. Do you want a window seat?
Yes, I'd like a window seat. How much is the ticket?
It's $45. Will you pay with cash or card?
I'll pay with card. Can I get the return ticket for Sunday?
Of course. What time would you like to return?
Around 4 p.m. That would be perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Hello, can I help you today?
Yes. We are looking for a new wardrobe.
We need something big for our bedroom.
Do you like wood or modern style?
I like wood. It feels warm.
But I think modern looks clean. What do you think?
We have both styles. Would you like to see them?
Yes, please. Show us the wooden one first.
Then we can look at the modern one too.
Sure, I'll take you there.
Thank you. This will help us a lot.
Yes, we want to choose the best one for our home.